In this video, we're going to do converting percents into fractions. Now, to convert a percent into a fraction, let's think about what the word percent means. This percent symbol really reflects how you would look at how is this number related to 100. So if we keep that in mind first, all of these can quickly turn into fractions if we relate them to 100. So that would be 5 per 100. This is 14 per 100. Now this is a weird one. This is 10.5 per 100, and this is 310 per 100. So each one of those causes a little bit of issues, and so now what do you do next? Okay, so let's start with the top here. If the top and the bottom have a number that are that can go into both the top and the bottom, we're going to divide by that number. And so 5 goes into 100, also goes into 5, so divide, and we get 1/20. So that is the reduced version that is equivalent to 5 over 100. In the second fraction, 14%, that's 14 per 100, 14 over 100. Divide that by 2. We get 7 over 50. Now, the next one causes some issues. So the first thing we're going to do is we need to fix the fact we cannot have a decimal inside either the top or bottom of a fraction. So we're going to fix this right here by multiplying both the top and the bottom by 10. Now, anytime you multiply by a factor of 10, it is going to move that decimal place for us. So we need to move one place, so we multiplied by 10. If you needed to move 2 places, multiply by 100, and so on. So that's going to become 105 over 1,000. Now it looks a lot more like a fraction, but now we have some other issues. Both top and bottom are a number that is divisible by 5, so let's divide by 5. 105 divided by 5 is 21. 1,000 divided by 5 is 200. Now, 21 is only divisible by 3 and 7 and 21. So those numbers don't go into 200, so that's how you know that you're done. Now, let's talk about the last one. There's a few different things we can worry about in this last example. If the top is bigger than the bottom, it's an improper fraction. You can reduce it first and then make it a mixed number, or you can, well, there's lots of ways to do it. Let me just show you one alternative. Let's divide top and bottom by 10. Now, the reason I know they're divisible by 10 is because we have this 0 on the end of both of those numbers. So 310 divided by 10 is 31. 100 divided by 10 is 10. I was getting ahead of myself there. Now, you just can think about how many times does 10 go into 31? Well, it's really close, 30, without going over. That's 3 times. 3 times 10 is 30, but we have 31, so you have 1 extra that is going to be a tenth. Remember, this denominator repeats in the mixed number. Okay, there are some examples of converting percents to fractions. I hope that helped. If it did, please like us and subscribe to our page. Thanks. Bye.